Relationship intelligence can be defined as automatic capture of emails and meetings with contacts in your network. Once that data is captured, we can score and rate the strengths of those relationships over time. In this example, I will be a banker looking to execute on deals. I have two mandates: looking for potential buyers to add to a particular engagement, as well as moving the buyers through the pipeline over time. If I'm a banker that is currently staffed on Project Falcon, I'll be able to come to the prospective deal report and select Project Falcon from here. If I'm looking to identify new potential buyers, I can navigate using the left-hand side to the suggested buyers dashboard here. This configuration can be completely customized around the firm's strategy or business needs. But essentially what it's doing is it's taking the information regarding Project Falcon, deal type, security type, industry type, as well as geographic region, and aggregating all of those points into a suggested engine. What we can see on this suggested buyers dashboard is that based on certain attributes that we have put in for Project Falcon, DealCloud is automatically going to suggest buyers that should be added to the pipeline or the buyers list. In this scenario, it's uncovering that Carlyle is going to be a good representation, Blackstone, Summit Park, Quantum, as well as CD&R. From here, not only is it suggesting potential buyers that can be quickly added using Target Filter, but it's also uncovering relationships that other bankers have with our primary contacts. In this example here, it's showcasing that our primary contact at Carlyle Group is Adam Palmer. Not only that, but we can see that he has a very strong relationship score, 7.2 out of 10, with my colleague, Betty Business. Now, of course, we're going to go ahead and execute that this particular sponsor gets added to the list. But furthermore, it could spark an interesting conversation with my colleague Betty on the relationship that she has with Adam today. Now, if I'm just going ahead and executing on the particular pipeline that we have today, we'll be able to do that entire process on the dashboard enabled buyers list. This will showcase the buyers by responsibility and milestone, and even have a configuration showcasing that pipeline over time. Now, in this example here, I can see exactly where the buyers stand in the process. Not only that, but I can see that primary contact and again, that key relationship with that banker on the team. Now, it's important to note that I may be responsible for the Carlyle Group, and in this example, we've got Eric, who is in charge of this particular relationship. It may be helpful for Eric to see in this exchange that Daniel has a 6.7 out of 10 relationship score with Peter Partner. The idea behind relationship intelligence is not only to just capture and collect the data, but incorporate that in process management so that Eric can make better decisions in the process, leveraging these other relationships that he may not know about.